Did you know that recruiters spend an average of just 6 seconds looking at a resume? That's why making a strong first impression is super important. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a winning resume in just 5 minutes. It's all about prioritizing the most essential components that'll grab the recruiter's attention and get you noticed. There are 5 key elements that we'll cover, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to create a resume that stands out from the crowd. So, what are these 5 essential components? Well, we'll be diving into the importance of a strong header, a tailored summary, relevant work experience, education and certifications, and finally, relevant skills and keywords. These 5 elements will give you the perfect balance to create a winning resume in no time. Let's get started. Your header is often the first thing a recruiter sees when they open your resume, so it's crucial to get it right. This section should include your name, contact information, and a professional email address. Make sure your email address is professional and easy to remember, and that your phone number is correct and easy to read. When it comes to your header, keep it simple and clean. Avoid using too much formatting or font sizes that are too big or too small. You want to make it easy for the recruiter to quickly glance at your contact information and move on to the rest of your resume. Your header sets the tone for the rest of your resume, so make sure it's polished and professional. Remember, first impressions are everything, and your header is your chance to make a great one. It's also a good idea to include a link to your LinkedIn profile or personal website, if you have one. This gives the recruiter an opportunity to learn more about you and your skills outside of your resume. In today's digital age, having a professional online presence is crucial, and including a link to your LinkedIn profile or website shows that you're proactive and eager to showcase your skills. Your header is the foundation of your resume, and with these simple tips, you can create a strong and professional header that'll grab the recruiter's attention. Moving on to the next element, a tailored summary or objective statement is a crucial component of your resume. This section should capture the recruiter's attention and highlight your most relevant skills and experiences. Your summary should be tailored to the job you're applying for, so make sure you read the job description carefully and highlight the skills and experiences that align with the job. A good summary should be concise and to the point, and should clearly state your career goals and job aspirations. Avoid using generic phrases or cliches, and instead focus on showcasing your unique skills and experiences. Remember, your summary is often the second thing a recruiter reads after your header, so make it count. Use this section to tell the recruiter why you're the best fit for the job and what you can bring to the table. When writing your summary, use keywords from the job description to help your resume pass through applicant tracking systems. This will increase your chances of getting seen by the recruiter and will also show that you've taken the time to carefully read the job description. Avoid using vague language or phrases that don't add any value to your resume. Instead, focus on highlighting your achievements and the skills you've developed in your previous roles. By tailoring your summary to the job, you'll increase your chances of getting noticed by the recruiter, and will also show that you're proactive and enthusiastic about the role. Next, let's talk about relevant work experience. This section should focus on the jobs you've held in the past and the skills and achievements you've gained in those roles. When listing your work experience, focus on the achievements rather than just the job duties. This will show the recruiter that you're a results-driven person who can add value to the company. Use these specific numbers and metrics to demonstrate your achievements, and avoid using vague language or phrases that don't add any value to your resume. For example, instead of saying increased sales, say increased sales by 25%. This will give the recruiter a clear idea of your achievements and the impact you can have on the company. When listing your work experience, prioritize the most relevant jobs and focus on the skills and achievements that align with the job you're applying for. Remember, the recruiter wants to see that you have the skills and experience to do the job, so make sure you're showcasing your achievements in a clear and concise manner. Moving on, let's talk about education and certifications. This section should clearly outline your educational background and any relevant certifications or training you've received. Make sure you include the name of the institution, the degree you earned, and the dates you attended. You should also include any relevant courses or specializations you studied. When it comes to certifications, make sure you include the name of the certification, the date you earned it, and any relevant details about the certification. Remember to tailor this section to the job you're applying for, and highlight any relevant education or certifications that align with the job. Next, let's talk about relevant skills and keywords. This section should include any relevant skills you have that align with the job description. Use keywords from the job description to help your resume pass through applicant tracking systems. And make sure you prioritize the most relevant skills. When listing your skills, be specific and avoid using vague language or phrases that don't add any value to your resume. Remember, the recruiter wants to see that you have the skills to do the job, so make sure you're showcasing your skills in a clear and concise manner. Finally, let's recap the 5 key components of a winning resume. We've covered the importance of a strong header, a tailored summary, relevant work experience, education and certifications, and relevant skills and keywords. By prioritizing these 5 elements, you'll be able to create a resume that grabs the recruiter's attention and increases your chances of getting noticed. Remember, creating a winning resume is all about showcasing your skills and achievements in a clear and concise manner. By following these simple tips, you can create a resume that'll get you noticed and help you land your dream job. If you're looking for more tips on how to ace a job interview, check out our video on job interview tips. And don't forget to leave your comments below with any questions or experiences you have with resume building. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more 5-minute fixes.